So we have Ojaswita Palkar today, who has written beautifully about Bharatnatyam and connecting it with physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. So she is a dancer herself, winning a lot of prizes in a lot of events. So yes, Ojaswita, the mic is all yours. Please start.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. First of all, let me give you a brief introduction about what is Bharatanatyam. It is a classical dance form of Tamil Nadu. It is performed on special occasions and also during any kind of temple programs, etc. Bharatanatyam consists of footworks, hand gestures, and expression, facial expressions. The concept of facial expressions is giving more elegance and beauty to the dance. Now let us connect it with biology. Uh, Whenever we think that Bharatanatyam is having three parts, that is Nrita, Nritya, and Natya. So in Nrita, it is about bending, that is in Aramandi, that is in half squatting position, Murumandi, full squatting position. In that, lactic acid get deposited. So we have to work with that also for containing that pose for long hours. And in Nritya part, that is serotonin hormones, that is happy hormones are being released, wherein the rasa and bhava, we have to express that expressions on the face. So there are a lot of biochemical changes being taking place in which the dancer experiences joy herself or himself, and it is giving more enlightenment to the audience also. Then let's come to Natya part. In Natya part, the it is about that the character of the dancer is portraying a character. There is a transition from normal character to the character which is to be portrayed, and in that they have to release certain kind of hormones to show those through the facial expressions to hook that audience. Then coming towards overall, I can say in biological aspect, this Bharatnatyam is promoting healthy living and sound body. Now let's come towards mathematics part. In mathematics, it is about making beats, that is 3 to 9. We are consistent with 3 to 9 beats. In that, in case of 7 beats, we have to make a combination of 3 and 4 beats, and the dancer has to keep in mind. And in case of 9 beats, it is like 4 and 5 beats should be kept in mind. Then in case of now let's talk about geometrical part. During dancing, we sing the song, that is like an example of Dhadi Takadi Tajam. In that, the right angle triangle is being depicted, or there are more examples also wherein the half circle or full circle is being depicted, so that those transition of shapes hooks the audience till the edge of the performance. Then let's come to the physics part. In physics, I can say that the Bharatanatyam dancer, when they are bending, as we know, Aramandi half squatting position, in that they have to keep that body in alignment in the center position, and they have to balance their body. So the center of mass comes into play, and also I can say that whenever there is Brahmari, the spins, those spins, the fast spins, in that the top comes into position. That is, in particular angle only we have to take that turn, and then when we are like leaping, the dancer leaps, it swiftly loses the contact with the floor, and then they are in the air for milliseconds, and that literally makes the audience uh, on their seats observing the beauty of the performance. So for that milliseconds only, the gravitational force is taking place. Then let's come towards chemistry part. Though we think that it is not at all connected, Bharatanatyam and chemistry, but I am personally saying that chemistry is about knowing the matter and its properties. Same way, Bharatanatyam is knowing about emotions, expressions, hand gestures. Chemistry is with chemical reactions. Bharatanatyam is making combinations with the help of a few like expressions and then gestures, hand gestures, etc. And then we know that chemistry should be dealt properly. We are doing proper experiments. A minute miscalculation can lead to major consequences. Same way, in Bharatanatyam we have to depict the emotions properly. A minute here and there, it will be depicting wrong message to the audience. So the dancer should be careful about it. um, Taking the amalgam of all these subjects, without these subjects Bharatanatyam is incomplete. its amalgam, its mixture makes it sustain its beauty. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. That was such a wonderful explanation and a fantastic storyline. Fantastic. Thank you so much. I love to have this session with you. Thank you so much.
Klappat hakten alla, fest, full fest, hel